Good day, and today I will be making a 0 to 99 counter using two 4086 5x5 timer and two 7 segment display. And right now I set up the ICs on the breadboard. This is the 5x5 timer. These are the two top buttons. And this is the 4026 IC and 7 segment display. First, we're gonna put all power. Gonna put power on a 5x5 timer. Pin 16 to positive. Pin 1 to negative or to the ground, and pin 4 to the VCC or positive. And a 10K resistor to pin 7 to the VCC or positive, and from pin 7 to pin 6 and put a capacitor 1 UF or microfarad to the ground from pin 6 to the ground. And let's do the increment button. Put a resistor on the 1 foot of the top button and put a wire too short. This is this one. I think working this one. And the tree, let's use this top here from tree top here, and put a capacitor to the ground and the 100K resistor to the bottom of the capacitor. Make sure they do not touch the edge. There. You're gonna be grounded. And put a wire, a very long one, from the resistor to the pin 1 of the 4026. Now let's power up this one. Let's put a wire from pin 16 to the VCC and ground to the pin 8. And let's do this to this one too. Pin 16 to pin to the VCC and pin 8 to the ground. Let's fix the wires. Okay. Good. Now let's do this one. And let's put a wire from pin 2 to the Let's put a wire from pin 2 to the ground and pin 3 to the BCC. Do this to the other one, I mean pin 2 to the ground and pin 3 to the BCC. Now let's connect the 4026 IC to the 7 segment, and here the G to 7, it's too short, G to 7, oh, G to 7, pin 7 of this 4026, and F to 6. Exclusion 4026. Make sure the wires are intact well. And from A to 10, pin number 10, and B to pin number 12. D, no, sorry, E, pin E no, it's too short. Pin E to 11. Pin E to 11 and pin D to 9. Why the hell are my wires going too short now? There, and put some common to the ground. This is a cathode. Let's do this to the another segment. Common to the ground. Let's do the same process to the other side. From pin G to 7 and pin F to pin 6 and pin A to pin 10 and pin B to 12. pin E, pin 11. Pin D to pin 9. And pin C to pin 13. There. Now let's do the reset button. Restore to the ground and put a wire from the top button to the VCC or the positive on the battery. Then put pin number 15 to the resistor foot of the top button, and do that the other one. This is too long, this is extremely too long. Extremely too long. No, this is extremely too short. Pin 15. And the last one from pin number 5 to pin 1 of this. Now let's take a look. Now this is the final product. Let me just turn off the lights and sorry for the other 7 segment. It's kind of blurred. I don't know why. I think it's the IC or the 7th segment. So this is the increment button, and this is the reset. Increment, reset. Here, increment, reset. Okay, thank you guys for watching.